Hi, welcome to E2V Cloud's machine learning series. AI frameworks give data scientists, AI developers, and researchers the tool they need to build, train, test, and deploy model. It may take time and work to find the ML framework that works best for your business. Let's take a look at the 5 most widely used ML frameworks for training models in ML.
Number 5. Apache MXNet. It is distributed on a cloud infrastructure via a parameter server and is scalable across several GPUs and servers. MXNet supports multiple language APIs, which includes Python, JavaScript, Julia, C++, Scala, and Perl. Number 4. CNTK. Microsoft-owned CNTK is used to describe neural networks as a sequence of computational development steps in the form of directed graphs. It is an open-source milliliter framework designed with algorithms in C++ programming language and production readers. Number 3 is PyTorch. The PyTorch machine learning framework, based on Torch and Caffe2, comes with loads of options for optimizing algorithms. It is perfectly suited to design neural networks using the Autograd module and natural language processing. Second is Scikitlearn. Scikitlearn specifically supports development work in Python with an extensive library for Python programming language. Scikitlearn provides support for designing algorithms and models for classifications, clustering, pre-processing, regression, dimensional reduction, and model selection. Before moving to the number 1 on the list, here's some other notable machine learning frameworks. Keras. Keras is an open-source framework developed on top of TensorFlow. It is written in Python and can efficiently run on GPUs and CPUs. Caffe. Caffe is another milliliter and DL framework written in C++. It is ideal for production edge delivery, image categorization, and experimenting with research methods. Shogun. Shogun is an open-source machine learning framework that works well with C++. It is free and useful for developers who want to design algorithms and data structures specifically for problems in the fields of education and research. Number 1. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source JavaScript library and a widely used machine learning framework. Being open source, it comes for free and provides API for developers to build and train machine learning models. Did you know that E2E Cloud offers the Nvidia A180GB? Astoundingly, the monthly cost is just 1 lakh Indian rupees. Follow the link in the description to sign up for a free trial.